Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Agino. So finally got a rally day in Tesla. This is the daily chart. You see right here a little gap up, a little sell-off, then closing the gap. We talked about this potential gap closure, pretty much closing right on our 12.5% retracement level. Let's jump to the 4-hour first. 4-hour. So key level we're going to be watching is right around this 437 area. Above 437, we will start watching for 455 area, then potentially up to 487. Those are our targets on a rally. If we start selling off tomorrow, about 400, 396 to 400 is our first target. Then we'll start watching back down to 350. Jumping back to the daily chart, you can see the daily rotation zone coming in at 487. We have this sort of wide cluster, 487 to 505. That's going to be very key resistance. If it did rally up there or even anywhere into this rotation zone, we'd start watching for a shorting opportunity. Remember, the rotation zone on the 4-hour is bearish. The rotation zone on the daily is bearish, and the weekly, we're now below the rotation zone, so everything is in bearish mode. So any rallies in Tesla are they're either super aggressive longs, which we're not looking for, or they're going to be shorting opportunities. That's where it stands right now. I'm just looking to see if there's anything else. You can also do the little short-term projections. For example, if you're more of a short-term trader, you can come down here now for our chart, put on our little, this isn't technically a pausing bar, I'm just giving you an idea of what we're watching for. So ratios, we're going to do forward harmonics. So if you want some minor levels, above 452, 465, then 477 are your minor levels. So that's the kind of thing you can keep doing this if you're a more aggressive trader to the upside. And again, just to reiterate, on the weekly, you can see the rotation zone is still on the weekly, is all the way back at 525. So even to get back to neutral on the weekly level, we'd have to get a close above 525. So we're a long way off from that still. Also, if we do sell off again, the weekly area of key support is down at this 300 area. So we have for you on Tesla. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.